What's up, tech enthusiasts? Get ready for an exciting journey through the most innovative corners of the open source world. Today, we're kicking off a brand new video, Top Trending Open Source GitHub Projects This Week, Part 1. In this video, we'll be diving deep into some truly unique and groundbreaking projects, from advanced RAG techniques designed to supercharge your AI, to a revolutionary containerized approach for desktop automation, and much more. Buckle up, because we've got a lot of cutting-edge tech to explore.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. Alright, let's get into today's video.
Project number 1: WorkflowAI, the open-source AI feature development platform. Ever felt the pain of slow AI feature development? WorkflowAI is here to change that. This open-source platform is uniquely designed for product and engineering teams to collaborate seamlessly on building and iterating AI features. What truly sets WorkflowAI apart is its interactive playground, letting you test and compare over 80 leading AI models side by side without writing a single line of code. It's model agnostic, meaning you can effortlessly switch between providers like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and more, all within a unified interface. Forget complex deployments. WorkflowAI offers flexible options, allowing you to self-host for maximum data control or use their managed cloud service for a hassle-free experience. Plus, it comes with built-in observability and cost tracking, giving you clear insights into your AI workflows and budget. Say goodbye to integration headaches with its structured output guarantee and easy-to-use SDKs for Python and TypeScript, along with a REST API. Frustrated with slow prompt updates? WorkflowAI offers instant prompt updates with a single click. It even has your back with automatic provider failover, ensuring your AI applications remain resilient during provider downtime. With hosted tools like web search and multimodality support, building powerful AI agents becomes incredibly accessible. And for those who need more control, it's developer-friendly, allowing seamless extension with Python when custom logic is required. WorkflowAI empowers you to build production-ready AI features in minutes, accelerating your time to market like never before. Project number 2: OpenAI Codex CLI, your AI-powered terminal coding agent. Today, we're showcasing something truly revolutionary for developers: the OpenAI Codex CLI. What makes this tool stand out from the crowd is its direct integration of powerful AI capabilities into your command line interface. Unlike typical AI coding assistants that operate in separate environments, Codex CLI brings ChatGPT-level reasoning right to your terminal, empowering you to engage in chat-driven development directly within your codebase. Imagine being able to ask your terminal to refactor a complex function, generate unit tests, or even create entire features simply by describing what you need. Codex goes beyond just suggesting code. It can actually run the generated code, manipulate files within a secure sandbox, install dependencies, and show you the live results, all while keeping your project under version control. The zero setup nature is another game changer. Just provide your OpenAI API key, and you're ready to go. It even supports multimodal input, allowing you to guide development by providing screenshots or diagrams. Furthermore, you have granular control over its autonomy with different approval modes, ensuring a balance between AI assistance and human oversight. Being fully open source means you can trust and contribute to its development. For developers who prefer the efficiency of the terminal, Codex CLI offers an unprecedented level of AI-powered assistance, transforming how you build and maintain software. Project number 3: AI Hedge Fund Team, a unique experiment in AI-driven investment strategies. A deep dive into a fascinating project, the AI Hedge Fund Team. What truly distinguishes this initiative is its innovative approach of creating an ensemble of AI agents, each embodying the distinct investment philosophies of legendary figures like Warren Buffett, Benjamin Graham, Cathie Wood, and many more. This isn't just about a single AI making trading decisions. It's a simulation of a diverse team of experts, each with their own unique perspective on value, growth, and risk. The project's core uniqueness lies in how it models these individual investment styles through separate agents such as the Ben Graham agent focused on value or the Cathie Wood agent prioritizing innovation. Furthermore, the system incorporates specialized agents for valuation, sentiment analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and even risk and portfolio management, showcasing a comprehensive AI-driven investment process. Importantly, this project is explicitly for educational and research purposes only, emphasizing its role in exploring the potential of AI in understanding different investment strategies without any intention for real-world trading. The flexibility to run the simulation using both cloud-hosted large language models, LLMs, like those from OpenAI and Grok, as well as local LLMs via Allama, adds another layer of uniqueness, allowing users to experiment with different AI models and setups. This focus on diverse AI agents emulating iconic investors, combined with its educational purpose and flexible deployment options, makes the AI Hedge Fund team a truly distinctive project in the realm of AI and finance. Project number 4, FastMCP, the fast, Pythonic way to build MCP servers and clients. We're exploring FastMCP, a project that uniquely simplifies building applications that interact with large language models. What makes FastMCP truly special is its incredibly Pythonic approach to implementing the Model Context Protocol, MCP. Forget about tedious boilerplate code. FastMCP offers an intuitive, decorator-based system that lets you define tools, resources, and prompts for your LLM applications with minimal effort. Imagine effortlessly exposing your Python functions as callable tools for an AI, or making your data accessible as structured resources. FastMCP makes this a breeze. But it doesn't stop there. FastMCP goes further with advanced features like the ability to proxy existing MCP servers, compose multiple servers into complex applications, and even generate MCP servers directly from your OpenAPI or FastAPI specifications. This means you can seamlessly integrate your existing web APIs with the world of LLMs. Furthermore, FastMCP enables powerful interactions through LLM sampling, allowing your server-side code to request completions from the client's LLM for advanced use cases while maintaining data privacy. With its focus on developer experience and its comprehensive implementation of the MCP specification, FastMCP stands out as the fast and easy way to bring your applications closer to the power of modern AI. Project number 5, Bytebot, the easiest way to build desktop agents. We're taking a look at Bytebot, a project that offers a truly unique approach to building what they call desktop agents. What makes Bytebot stand out is that it essentially spins up a full containerized Linux desktop, complete with a graphical user interface that you can then control programmatically. Think about it, you get an XFCE4 desktop running on Ubuntu 22.04, all within a single Docker image. But here's where it gets really interesting. Bytebot provides a unified REST API that allows you to script every single click and keystroke. This means you can automate virtually any task you'd normally do manually on a desktop, making it perfect for things like web scraping, running automated CI tasks that require a GUI, or even enabling unique remote work scenarios. You can access this containerized desktop from anywhere using standard VNC or even a built-in browser-based no VNC interface. Unlike other automation tools that might operate at a lower level, Bytebot gives you the power of a full desktop environment that you can drive with code, making complex automation tasks surprisingly straightforward. It even comes with essential tools like Firefox pre-installed, getting you up and running quickly. Inspired by Anthropic's computer use demo, Bytebot offers a powerful and accessible way to build and deploy your own desktop automation agents. Project number 6, Mastra, the TypeScript AI agent framework. We're diving into Mastra, a TypeScript framework that's taking a unique approach to building AI agents and applications. What immediately sets Mastra apart is its opinionated yet flexible design, providing developers with a powerful set of built-in primitives right out of the box. Unlike more bare-bones libraries, Mastra offers integrated support for workflows, agents, retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, third-party integrations, and even automated evaluations, evals. This means you're not starting from scratch but have a solid foundation for building complex AI features. Another key differentiator is Mastra's commitment to supporting virtually any leading large language model thanks to its use of the Versal AI SDK. Whether you're working with OpenAI's GPT-4, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, or even open-source models like Llama, Mastra provides a unified interface to interact with them. Furthermore, the framework emphasizes type safety with its TypeScript foundation and auto-generated, type-safe API clients for integrations, which significantly reduces the risk of runtime errors. The inclusion of durable, graph-based workflows with features like loops, branching, and error handling is also noteworthy, allowing for the creation of sophisticated and reliable AI-powered processes. Finally, Mastra's focus on observability with built-in OpenTelemetry tracing for workflows and automated evals for assessing LLM output quality provides crucial insights into your AI application's performance and reliability. This comprehensive and thoughtfully designed framework in TypeScript truly makes Mastra a standout choice for building robust AI solutions. Project number 7, Kraken, the next-gen code editor with integrated AI and web power. We're taking a look at Kraken, a code editor that's truly breaking the mold with its unique design and powerful integrations. What makes Kraken stand out in a sea of editors is its fresh approach to user interface and its deep fusion of AI and web technologies. Unlike many editors that can feel cluttered, Kraken emphasizes a minimalist and clean design, inspired by environments like Hyperland, ensuring that every element serves a purpose and enhances your productivity. Its innovative focus bar keeps essential controls within easy reach without cluttering your main coding area, and the dedicated side space optimally balances tool accessibility with screen real estate. But the uniqueness doesn't stop at the UI. Kraken boasts seamless AI integration, supporting a multitude of models including Llama, OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, transforming it into a genuine AI-driven development companion. Imagine having AI-powered code completion, refactoring, and even automated code reviews directly within your editor. Furthermore, Kraken uniquely integrates a browser specifically built for coding, allowing you to test and debug web applications, inject code live, and even leverage AI for web debugging, all without ever leaving the editor. This deep integration of a coding-focused browser is a game-changer for web developers, eliminating the constant context switching. With its focus on a streamlined experience, powerful AI, and integrated web capabilities, Kraken offers a genuinely new and efficient way to code. Project number 8, Linera Protocol, a scalable and low-latency foundation for Web3. We're diving into the Linera Protocol, a project aiming to redefine the landscape of decentralized applications. What truly distinguishes Linera is its design as a decentralized blockchain infrastructure specifically engineered for highly scalable and low-latency Web3 applications. Unlike monolithic blockchains, Linera is built around the concept of multiple independent microchains, 9, and implied. This architecture allows for parallel processing and significantly reduces transaction latency, addressing a key bottleneck in many existing blockchain platforms. Furthermore, Linera boasts a well-defined layered structure. It starts with foundational elements like base cryptography and version management, builds up to complex data structure mappings onto a key-value store, and extends to crucial components for runtime execution, chain management, and cross-chain communication. The protocol also defines clear storage abstractions and a core protocol encompassing client and server logic. This modularity not only enhances performance but also provides a robust and adaptable foundation for developers. Linera offers a dedicated software development kit, SDK, for building decentralized applications in Rust targeting the WASM virtual machine. The inclusion of a command line client, CLI, tool further streamlines the development process, enabling developers to easily set up local test networks, manage wallets, request chains, and execute transfers. This focus on both architectural innovation for scalability and a developer-friendly toolkit makes Linera a unique and promising project for the future of Web3. Project number 9, Docmost, your open-source collaboration and documentation hub. We're highlighting Docmost, a project that stands out as a truly unique solution in the world of collaborative documentation. What makes Docmost particularly special is its core identity as an open-source alternative to well-established, but often proprietary, platforms like Confluence and Notion. This means you get the power of a collaborative wiki and documentation software without the vendor lock-in and with the freedom to inspect, modify, and distribute the software according to the AGPL 3.0 license that governs its core. Docmost isn't just another wiki, it's built with real-time collaboration at its heart, allowing teams to work together seamlessly on creating and managing their knowledge base. It also integrates popular diagramming tools like Draw.io, Excalidraw, and Mermaid directly, making it easy to visualize complex information. The inclusion of features like spaces, permissions management, groups, comments, and page history ensures it's a robust platform for teams of any size. Furthermore, Docmost support for file attachments and embeds from various services like Airtable and Miro enhances the richness and versatility of your documentation. The fact that it's available in over 10 languages also underscores its commitment to accessibility and global collaboration. Ultimately, Docmost's unique value proposition lies in providing a comprehensive and feature-rich collaborative documentation experience with the transparency and flexibility of an open-source license, directly challenging the established players in the market. Project number 10: Advanced RAG Techniques, Elevating Your Retrieval-Augmented Generation Systems. We're exploring a truly unique resource for anyone looking to master retrieval-augmented generation, and that's the Advanced RAG Techniques repository. What makes this project stand out is its laser focus on cutting-edge advancements beyond basic RAG implementations. This isn't just a collection of simple examples. It's a comprehensive and actively updated hub showcasing a wide array of sophisticated techniques designed to supercharge your RAG systems. Think of it as your go-to guide for elevating the accuracy, efficiency, and contextual richness of your AI's responses. The repository uniquely categorizes and provides practical implementation guidelines for techniques ranging from query enhancement and context enrichment to advanced retrieval methods and even evaluation strategies. You'll find everything from proposition chunking and hypothetical prompt embeddings to multifaceted filtering and knowledge graph integration, often with links to relevant resources like research papers and blog posts for deeper understanding. What's also exceptional is its community-driven nature, fostering collaboration and the sharing of innovative techniques within the RAG space. If you're serious about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with RAG and want a constantly evolving collection of the most advanced methods, this repository is an invaluable and unique resource you need to check out. And that brings us to the end of part 1 of our exploration into this week's top trending open-source GitHub projects. We've seen some truly fascinating innovations today, from collaborative documentation hubs like Docmost to the scalable Web3 foundation of the Linera Protocol, the AI-powered code editor Kraken, the AI agent framework Mastra, Bytebot for desktop automation, FastMCP for LLM interaction, the AI investment legend simulation, the OpenAI Codex CLI, and the WorkflowAI platform. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for part 2, and let us know in the comments which project you found most interesting. See you in the next one.